see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
Lela po. Ayan. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. Today is October 25. Kahapon, di ba, kararating lang namin galing Adelaide. And medyo pagod pa tayo. And plano ko sana hindi muna ako mag-vlog. Pero quick vlog lang tayo. Kasi si John, tinawagan niya ako. Sabi niya, punta ako dito sa boat ramp. Kasi may bibigay ba? Or ano, hindi ko rin alam. Kasi sabi niya, you have to go there now. Sa boat ramp daw. So, nandito tayo. Pero wala pa siya. So, nauna talaga tayo sa kanya. Siguro may dala siyang isda. Hindi ko rin alam. Well, si Holly, did you vlog, Baba? Nag-vlog siya, guys.
Yes, I did. And we're waiting for Dad because he's
What?
still fishing.
No, it's not. I think it's there now. He's just parking the boat. So, we'll see, guys. Dito na si Jan. Wini-wait niyo lang yung crayfish.
1, 2.
Ano si Johnny Boy? Dito si Johnny Boy. Oh my God! Is that for me, huh? Oh no! Look at that! That's unreal!
Film it, Bubba. Say, my daddy caught a
Come on,
crab.
come on! Film me, Baba! Come, doggy!
That's called a king crab.
King crab! My God! That's massive, huh?
Look, no.
Oh my
that there
God.
can smash it. You put a beer bottle in that, it'll smash it.
Really?
That much.
The daddy, oh my God! Oh no, hon! I can't believe that! Shy, Papa! Tell them! You have to tell them what's that!
Let's say it's a big king crab.
Say king crab! King
King
crab!
crab.
Say!
King crab.
Say it.
Look at it.
Oh, daddy caught a king crab!
What we'll do is we're going to put it in the tank at the factory.
Yeah?
And we'll wait for all our guys to come down late for Christmas time.
Oh, alright!
It should last in the tank that long.
Yes, in the tank. Oh my God! That's so... My goodness, honey! That's a huge... Oh my...
I can't get you, Bubba, you're alright.
You don't get your Baba. Oh my God! Is it went to the pot?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! I
There's
know.
the size.
What the not? Oh, MJ, how are we gonna cook that, honey?
Hey! Bird!
Ayan na sila. Ayan yung mga lobster na nakuha ni John. And meron ding octopus. How many? Wow.
Oh,
How many octopus, Han?
3 or 4.
3 or 4?
tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights. And if we're through, I'll go my way. I'd like it if you stay a while. Just up in these sheets, the city and fall asleep. I'm just getting started with you.
So, uwi na tayo. Yung pala yung gustong ipakita sa akin ni John. Ang laki ng king crab. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ni John, ipapalagay niya sa factory, sa tank.
Why is it blushing so very quick?
What? Yours?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. I'll fix yours. Nag-vlog din kasi siya. Tawag nun, ipapa-reserve ni Jen. Ipapalagay yun ni Jen sa water tank para lutuin namin kung aabot ang buhay niya. Lulutuin namin siya sa New Year pagdating ng mga girls. Kasi dito mag-New Year sa amin yung mga girls, diba? So, yun. Isa yun sanda natin. Pag yung ating king crab tumagal sa water tank. Kasi sabi ni Jan, mas masarap kasing lutuin yung king crab pag fresh. Ayaw niyang i-freezer. Pwede naman kasing i-freezer siya, pero ayaw ni Jan kasi nga gusto niya fresh. So, pinalagay niya sa sa factory. And tinawagan niya rin yung fishery. May fishery doon, yung fisheries. Tinawagan niya kasi very rare na makahuli ng king crab. Then, yeah, wait. Then, winate nung fishery yung king crab. Kasi 7.5 basta more than 7 kilos yung bigat ng king crab. So, we'll see kung gaano siya tatagal sa water tank. Doon sa, factory. Ilalagay muna siya sa factory. Okay, uwi na tayo. So, yun lang guys. Short vlog lang. Insert ko na lang to sa mga upcoming vlogs ko guys. Ayan. Yung isa nagpa-vlog din ha. Good morning. Good morning guys. Nasa car tayo. Biglaan lang to. Kararating lang ni Jan. Siguro mga 30 minutes. Galing fishing. And ako nag-i-edit. Ang sabi niya sa akin, get dressed hon. Get dressed. Get ready. Kasi magpapabaksin tayo today. Why today? Akala ko sa ano pa. I thought next week honey. Huh?
Well, you can't, because then you'll miss out on when borders open. You'll be only one shot.
Yeah, kasi mag-open na yung borders guys sa November. So, last minute talaga kami. Today pala is October 27. Ito yung next vlog after nung Adelaide namin. So, bigla lang to. So, short vlog lang to. Magpapabaksin lang talaga kami. And si Jan, nandun yung octopus niya sa likod. Where you gonna drop off, Dad? Ida-drop off niya yung octopus kay Dad sa shed. And yeah, who's gonna go first on?
Yeah.
Why me?
See what happens here.
Nung isang araw niya pa sinasabi na pa nagpa-vaccine kami, ako ang mauuna. And tinatanong ko siya, bakit ako? Bakit hindi ikaw? Sabi niya sa akin, if there's something happened to you, I look after the kids. Yung talagang sinasabi niya sa akin. Kasi si Jan talaga, siya, yung parang hindi siya sure sa pagpa-vaccine. Ngayon, kailangan talaga, kahit ayaw niya, kailangan magpa-vaccine kasi mag-open na yung borders. So, for sure, maraming cases pag nag-open na ang borders kasi yung iba hindi pa naman nagpapa-vaccine. Kaya, sige na magpa-vaccine na tayo. And, eto, 2 weeks ago pa tong form na to. And, nandun lang siya, hindi pa namin siya fini-fill upan kasi nga, sa kanya ako nakadepende na kung kailan, kasi una ayaw niya. So ngayon kailangan kasi mag-open na yung borders. May pulis ha, is that ka? No? So yung guys, so we'll see kung sino mauna. Feeling ko ako talagang niya, ang papaunahin niya. Dito lang naman, malapit lang kasi sa chemist lang kami magpapa-vaccine kasi meron din sa chemist. Pwede din sa GP, hindi ko alam. Pero sa chemist kami dito malapit sa amin. You go first, okay, Han? Ayun yung mauna. Ako talagang gusto yung mauna. Ayun yung farm. How's the cows? Alright. And he is planning to build a small shed, right, honey? Para dun sa kanyang taklain na I said rusty. What do you call that? Rusty tractor. Para dun, ayaw niya ilagay sa malaking shed yung tractor niya. Nakita niyo yung tractor niya, di ba? Yung binili niya. Ayaw niya ilagay doon sa bagong shed. Gagawa niya ng sariling shed yung makalawang niyang tractor. Pero kahit makalawang yun, mahal pa rin yung guys. Sabi ko, kahit ibigay siguro yun sa akin, hindi ko yung tatanggapin. Kasi nga, na siya, rusty. And kahit yung mga bata, sabi niya, ew. The kid said, right? Yuck. Ayaw din ang mga bata. Kasi hindi talaga siya, Parang, alam mo yun, parang sobrang luma niya na talaga. Pero mahal kasi, sobrang mahal. Sobrang mahal ang bagong gano'n. Or kahit second hand, third hand, sobrang mahal. So yun yung nakita niyang parang gagawin yung job sa farm. Kasi ano niya lang naman yung hay, i-lift. And what else the tractor does to your farm, ha? Lift the hay and yeah, ganun lang. Ililift lang yung mga ililift lang yung bibili niyang mga hay, yung mga naka-roll, tapos ilalagay doon kung saan ang tambakan. Yun lang naman ang gagawin ng tractor na yun. Wala namang iba. Okay, mamaya na lang ulit. Dito muna kami nag-stop sa bahay nila Dad para i-drop off yung yung octopus. Ayun yung shed na maliit. Kita niyo kung ano yung tsura ng octopus dito. Ayan. Dito na tayo guys. You go first, hon. I'm not. Sabi niya, hindi daw talaga siya mauna. Ako raw. Okay, come on. Bring the phone.
Oh, you got a mask? Go.
Oh, I forgot the mask. Get the mask.
I didn't know whether, like, I mean, I did, but I haven't been taking it for like 7
Here,
months, so I don't think the immune system would be.
So he said no.
Yeah, just
No, John.
hurry up. We've got all day. Hurry up. Come on. Take your camera. Where are you sitting? Where are you doing it?
Here?
No, inside.
Inside. Tinutulak niya talaga ako. Sa loob pala tayo, guys. Oh, here. Oh,
Where?
here.
Ah.
Dito raw tayo, guys.
I am, but I can.
Vlog ni Han. Yeah. Ayun niya talaga.
I want you to lean back and relax. Yeah. And count backward from 20.
20,
Yeah.
20,
19.
19, 18, 17, 16, 15,
Count.
14, 13, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Done.
Oh, done.
Yeah.
Alright, babe, it's your turn.
We'll go. I'm going the right arm
Why right?
because
Why? Left hand.
no, because that's the one I use for the steering wheel.
Okay. It's the right hand for you.
Inside it. I'm right-handed, but I use the steering wheel
On the left.
on the left, so I don't have to.
Yeah.
If it's a bit sore, so I can still use the.
No worries. Relax. Yeah, I can feel. Relax. Drop your shoulder. Yes. Count backward.
Yeah. Alright, that's it. Liro siya ng sabon.
It's that citrus,
Yeah.
my favourite.
Scent. Yeah, yan ang favorite scent niya. Citrusy. Okay, tapos na tayo sa ating first dose. Maano lang, hindi naman masakit yung pagtusok, pero yung paglagay nung parang liquid dun ko naramdaman na parang basta yun. Pero hindi siya masakit nung tinusok. Ano lang ako, kabado lang ako nung ano yung pinapa-count niya ako. So, yung second dose namin ay magaganap sa November 24. Tapos yung border, magbubukas ata, baka mali ako. Feeling ko November 23 pero not sure. Yeah, 23, right? The border? Magbubukas 23. So, sabi nung nag-inject sa amin, nag-vaccine sa amin, you have to hide 1 day. Kasi yung second dose namin sa 24 pa. And nandito na yung aming record na tapos na kami sa una. Meron ulit na form para sa second dose. So, yun na guys. Update ko na lang kayo. And, yeah. That's it, babe. Congrats.
Oh, thanks.
Nagtulakan pa kami. Sabi niya, ikaw may gusto nito, diba? So, mauna ka. So, yan. Hi guys! Update ko lang kayo. Today is October 28. And kahapon, di ba, nagpa-vaccine kami. And yung side effect ng aking vaccine ay hindi ko mataas yung aking etong left. Kasi ngalay siya. Sobrang mangalay siya. And naligaw ko ng maaga kaya nakapajama na tayo. So, yun lang. In-update ko lang kayo. And ang pangit ng weather ngayon dito. Maulan dito. And then sa Adelaide, umuulan ng yellow. Ganito kalalaking yellow. Nasa news. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung ulam namin tonight. Eto guys, yung aming dinner tonight. Nagluto ako ng menudo. Ayan. Ang pangit ng weather ngayon. Ayan, dinner time. Good afternoon guys. Quick vlog lang tayo. Wala sa plano sana mag-vlog ako ngayon. Kaso may pupuntahan tayong birthday. 90th birthday ng Lola ni Jan. So, pupunta tayo dito. Pero hindi ko alam kung makakapag-vlog ako masyado dito. So, konting ano lang. Konting glimpse lang sa ganap dito. And si Holly, nandun siya sa car ni Auntie Mel. So, I think na-meet ko tong nanay niya. Kasi malayo naman sila. Siguro mga twice or 3 times pa lang. So, ngayon, attend tayo ng birthday niya. Dito lang naman sa Bay. And, yan, nag-walking kami kanina. Mabilisan lang. Sino naka 5K, pero yung talagang mabilis, tumakbo kayo ni ako tumakbo kasi nagbabike naman sila. Kami ni Holly yung nahuli. So, nasa vlog ni Holly, yung aming adventure sa paglakad ko at saka pagbike nila. So, yun ang ating ganap. So, isabay ko na lang to dun sa mga nauna kong malilit lang din yung vlog. Kasi nga, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, hindi muna ako magba-vlog. Kasi gusto ko muna matapos yung mga late vlogs. Malapit na talaga. Malapit na. So, ito yung first vlog ko ngayong November. Yes. So, mamaya na lang ulit guys. Tingnan natin kung anong meron dito sa birthday ni Lola niya. Dito na si Dad. And ando na yung ibang mga bata.
Forget to where ya?
Happy birthday.
Kadang nana, kuya. How old are you, Papa? 5. Holly. Nahiya sila. Yeah, that's great grandma. Baba, hug Nana, Baba. Nahiya siya, oh. Hug Nana. Where you going?
We're going in the playground.
Gusto yung punta sa playground. Malamig. Yung hangin. Si Jan andun siya, oh, sa mga titas niya. Andun. Yung party dyan sa loob, guys. Andun sila, oh. Ay! Baba!
Mom, the playground's too small for us.
I know.
We're only good guys.
Where? You're grown up.
Huh?
You're grown up.
I just feel like this small in this
I know. Lumilit na raw yung playground para sa kanila. Baba, I think we're going in. They're calling now. We have to go in.
We have to eat.
Come on, let's go. Auntie Helen's calling us. Calling everyone. Baba! Oh. Ito yung mga food nila dito, guys. Masa? Here. This is nice, kuya. Try this one. This is really good. That's cream and... Oh, sure, Baba. This is so good. Finish your food first. Your food. Have a Busog na raw siya. Punta na raw siya sa playground. Yung boys na sa playground. I know. Ang daming cake. Yung homemade cake. Tapos mga pastries. Have you tried this, Baba? Have you tried this? This one. It's the same. Oh, is this the one? Haven't you tried it? The cream? What's this? You wanna buy? Good? Ang sarap daw nito, sabi ni John. Mag-walking ang kami. Try natin. Gusto rin niya na, i-try ko ito. Sabi ko, nag-walking pa lang ako. Ang gaan, sponge cake no? Banana. Si Auntie Helen ang gumawa lahat ng cake, pastries, lahat ng handa. Si Auntie mamaya. Dad, I'm not sure how.
Should add a little bit of egg. Cream balls.
Sarap siya kaso nga nag-booking ako. Sayang naman ang winongin ko.
Amazing. Even our man that wears a pink shirt, he could wear. Good quality. Yeah.
Napaka-fluffy. Sabi ko kagad yung sinay na. Sarap?
His health's not the best, but
Very soft.
what do you got?
I'll work it off tomorrow.
Not the toast tomorrow.
I'm glad he set it up tonight. Great. I'm glad he said tomorrow and not.
Ba't na yata yan ni John? Sabi niya sa akin, akala ko ba kakagat ka lang? Hindi ko na binalik sa kanya kasi nasarapan na ako. Sobrang sarap. Bukas ng diet. Are you having fun outside? Did you make friends? Did you meet the little girl there? Did you meet the little girl? You want something to drink? Lemonade, this one.
7 days.
Finish.
Just
Mike's got something he'd like to say. Right. 1, 2, 3. Don't blow them out. You can't blow them out. I just said that. You can't blow them out. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nana. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Cuddle, Nana. Cuddle, smile. Holly, look at here. Birthday cake. Kanina, binablog ko si Sak, di ba? Kumakain siya ng cake, yung gusto kong cake. And narinig yung bata. Ang ganda ng boses niya. Kinanta niya si Nana Lorna. And eto, meron silang sinerve na birthday cake. Ito yung cake ni Nana. Birthday cake. Is this homemade as well? Han, I finished it. I finished it. No, I said, naubos ko yung cake, hindi ko lang kinain yung cream. Labas na raw kami. In our car. Tingnan nyo yung pabaon nila sa amin. Ang daming cakes. Kasi gustong-gusto namin yung cake na yan. Yung banana, naubos. And meron pang natirang strawberries. Binigay kay John. Tapos na yung party, guys. Diba? May dala na si Sak. Tingnan nyo si John. What's that? What's that?
Bump.
You got more?
It broke my ankle, that's smaller.
Oh. Ah! Mayroon pang banana. Akala ko naubos na. Wala na kasi dun sa table. Siguro sinave to kay John kasi gustong-gusto niya yung banana. Ang sarap ng cake. Nahiya akong hingiin ko yung recipe. Ang sarap ng cake niya as in. Uwi na tayo. Si Holly. Sasabay ulit siya kay Auntie Mel. And yung dalawang boys, pipick upin namin dito. Kasi nandun sila. Ayun, nagba-basketball. Ayun si Kuya. And bye! Ayun si Zach. Si Holly andun pa siya kasi Auntie Mel. Oh, naiwan sila dun. Si Jan, uwi na raw kami. Kanina pa pala kami sa bahay, guys. And si Jan tulog na kasi may fishing siya. And si Holly napaliguan ko na. And we're gonna close the vlog. Did you have fun at your great-grandma's birthday party here? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Okay, close the vlog now.
So Auntie Mel was at the party as well.
Yes.
And no one else was, only Auntie Mel. We're gonna close the vlog now, guys. Thank you, guys. Please like, please subscribe, hurry up. See you on next vlog. Bye. I'll see you on my next vlog. And we're gonna ride to the bay again. Love you.
Yeah, there's coffee on your white sheet.
I can tell that you can't focus. You haven't been yourself in a minute. And I know that your mom's been sick. It's been a while since we talked about it. I don't know how to ask if you're okay, but you should know at the end of the day, when you don't know how to be strong, you can't lean on me. I'll be your rock at the bottom. You don't have to be cool, 'cause I see through it. If your world is feeling heavy, I can carry it too. Let me be a friend. Let me be a friend to you. Because you listened when my heart got broke. Remember you were there to help me cope.